Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to reset your maintenance light on your Volvo. This in particular is a 2013 Volvo XC60. It'll be the same idea for any Volvo that's got this dash on it. So first what we want to do is we want to take the key and put it in the key slot there. Hit the start stop button one time. And this is your trip button in the corner here. What we want to do is we want to press that with one finger, and then with the other one hold the start stop and hold those two until that iMessage light on there blinks. When you see it blinking, you let go. And you'll hear that beep and everything should be reset. So we'll turn it off, turn it back on, and you'll see the maintenance light doesn't flash on that anymore. So yeah, if you guys got any Volvo with this kind of dash on it, want to reset it, if you do your own oil changes or whatnot, or had an oil change and they didn't reset it for you, nice and easy, just follow this and that'll take care of it for you. Thank you guys for watching. Good luck.